Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add items to your favorite on the Douglas application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, tap on the search button down below, which is the second option. Select from a category, subcategory, and then search for a product that you would like to add to your wish list. Tap on the heart icon and first of all you should log in or sign in to your account, and after that you will be able to continue this process. So here you can see that it has been added to your wish list. So tap on the profile button down below, which is the fourth option. Scroll down and tap on wish list, which is the fourth section. And here you will be able to find all of the relevant items added to this section. If you want to get rid of it, just tap on the X icon down below and it will be removed. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.